Welcome to Clear English Daily. Today you will listen to a short motivational story. The English is slow and clear, perfect for beginners. Let's begin.
This is the story of a young man named Daniel. Daniel had a dream. He wanted to become a musician. Every day, Daniel practiced his guitar. In the morning before school, in the evening after dinner, he practiced and practiced. But people did not believe in him. His friends laughed. They said, "Daniel, that is not a real job." His teacher said, "Be realistic. Choose something safe." Even his father said, "Music is just a hobby." Daniel felt sad. He stopped playing for a few weeks. The guitar sat in the corner, quiet, alone, waiting. One night, Daniel could not sleep. He picked up his guitar. He started to play, and something happened. The music felt different. It felt like breathing. It felt like home. Daniel made a decision that night. He said to himself, "I will not stop. Not for anyone. This is my dream, and I will chase it." Years passed. Daniel worked hard every single day. He played in small cafes. He played on empty streets. Sometimes people listened. Sometimes they did not. But Daniel kept going. Then one day, a music producer heard him play. She stopped walking. She listened for a long time. After the song, she said, "You have something special. I want to work with you." Daniel could not believe it. All those years of practice, all those moments of doubt, all worth it. Today, Daniel is a professional musician. He plays for thousands of people, but he never forgets that night. The night he picked up his guitar and decided not to stop. The lesson of this story is simple. Other people's doubts are not your truth. Your dream is yours. Protect it. Work for it. Never give up.
Thank you for listening. Did you enjoy the story? Watch it again for more practice. New videos every week on Clear English Daily. See you next time.